Have you ever wondered what happens between getting your dream home under contract and finally holding the keys? Well, stick around to find out.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the Rocket City Homes channel. We're Glenn and Jodi Meter, your Rocket City Realtors with Legend Realty right here in Huntsville, Alabama.
So you just scored your dream home. Congratulations. The celebration might be starting, but there are a few crucial steps to navigate before that key hits your hand. This video will guide you through everything you need to do to secure your new home from earnest money to closing day. Let's turn this excitement into smooth sailing.
The first step is to submit your earnest money. Earnest money shows the seller you're serious about buying their home. Typically, this is between 1/2 and 1% of the purchase price. So for a $300,000 home, it would range from $1,500 to $3,000.
We recommend using the Earnest app to submit your earnest money easily and securely. It eliminates the hassle of dropping off a check and ensures a safe transaction. However, if the Earnest app is not available in your area, you can certainly drop off an earnest check to the broker or the title company, whoever may be holding the earnest money.
Now it's time to schedule your home inspection. This is crucial for any home purchase, but it's especially important in Alabama, which is a buyer beware state. That means it's up to you, the buyer, to uncover any potential issues before closing. While sellers can't hide major problems or on purpose, a thorough inspection is your best defense. If you're looking to buy in the Huntsville or nearby areas, we can certainly recommend some experienced home inspectors, but you're also welcome to choose on your own.
A home inspection is your chance to get a professional assessment of your potential new home. A licensed inspector will conduct a visual examination focusing on major systems like foundation, roof, electrical, wiring, plumbing, HVAC, appliances, and the structural components. They'll be on the lookout for any potential problems or safety hazards.
Yeah, and we highly recommend attending the inspection. It's a great opportunity to learn about the home's condition firsthand and also ask the inspector questions that you may have about the property. Afterwards, you'll receive a comprehensive report with photos. This report details the inspector's findings, including a written description of any issues discovered and their severity. The inspector will also recommend further evaluations by specific specialists if there's any concerns.
After the inspection, we'll meet with you to review the report and determine which repairs you'd like to request from the seller. This request will then be sent to the seller's agent for review. Depending on the severity of the issues, you may also have the option to terminate the contract, depending on the nature of those issues. If you want to know more about home inspections, check out our video on that.
During this time, we'll also request that the lender schedule the appraisal. The appraisal is an unbiased estimate of a home's fair market value, conducted by a licensed professional appraiser. It goes beyond the asking price to determine the property's true worth based on factors like size, condition, location, recent sales of comparable homes in the area, and the appraisal is crucial for both buyers and lenders. For buyers, it helps avoid overpaying and provides leverage for negotiations. For lenders, it ensures that the loan amount reflects the home's actual value, minimizing risk.
When we write an offer for our clients, we include a provision that states that the home must appraise for the purchase price or greater. If the home fails to appraise, the parties can then renegotiate the purchase price or the contract can be canceled.
While we're working on the inspection and the appraisal scheduling, a title company will be doing their part to get the contract to closing. Think of a title company as a protector of your home purchase. They meticulously research the property's history to identify any hidden ownership claims, liens, restrictions on use. This in-depth investigation will help you avoid unwelcome surprises and provide you peace of mind. If the title research comes back clear, then they will issue a title insurance policy, which will protect you in case of any hidden surprises pop up after you close on the home.
The lender will also begin doing their part to get the loan ready for closing. They'll verify your income, your down payment, and employment to ensure that you are a stable borrower. They'll also check your credit score to understand your financial history.
To ensure a smooth loan approval process, it is important to maintain your financial stability during this time. This means do not make any large purchases like cars, vacations, or furniture until your loan closes. Even minor changes can impact your debt-to-income ratio, which can potentially affect your qualification.
You'll also need to shop for homeowners insurance. It's important to shop around and to do your research. It's not just about the price, it's also about the coverage. Once you've selected your insurance provider, you will need to share that information with the lender.
Shortly before closing, we will do a final inspection of the property. This is your chance to ensure that it's in the same condition or better as it was when you signed the contract, and that any agreed upon repairs have been completed.
Then it's the moment you've been waiting for. Closing is where you'll sign a mountain of paperwork that officially finalizes the sale and transfers ownership of the house to you. You'll also pay any remaining closing costs that are due and finally receive the keys to your house.
Just remember, this is a general overview and the specific steps may vary depending on your location and terms of your contract. Stay in close communication with your realtor and lender throughout the process. They'll be your best guides, ensuring a smooth closing and successful transition into your new chapter.
So there you go. The journey between getting your offer accepted and closing can feel very overwhelming, but with the right information and support, you can navigate it confidently. And don't forget to leave a comment below with any questions that you might have about the buying or the closing process. And be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful real estate content.
Thank you so much for watching our channel. We release new videos often about all things Rocket City and real estate, so we'll see you in the next episode.